Start a video.
Hey yo, it's Motor Rally here. Gonna clean the cars.
Where's the Wagwan?
Hey yo, Wagwan, Motor Rally here. Today we're gonna be at Southampton South Statics car meet, but first we've got to clean our headlights because if you switch to B-roll, mad dirty, you know. So, gotta clean that up for the meet. We're already here, but it's never too late to improve. Rubbing compound, yeah. Hey guys, so to do your own headlights, all you need is some rubbing compound. There's plenty of options out there. You can literally get away with just getting some clappy compounds, and then you put a dollop on, rub it on, you literally rub it in and buff it off. Man on the true stroke, you know. So like I said guys, it's really easy to do by yourself.
What the Ross?
You literally rub it all in. I don't know if you can see, but with it just rubbed in. Oi, come in on my boy, little waspy thing, you know. Waspy.
Oh my god, you got a little...
Man's a waspy in the headlight, you know. Is that working or what? Oh yeah. Give your meat to get it off, bruv. Yeah, boy. Do you reckon it tastes good?
Are you mad?
I'm just concerned for your mental health.
Mine?
Yeah.
I've been at work all day with kids. Brings the brain cells down, you know.
Bring the brain cells down. Man, you have no brain cells to start with.
That was a violation thing.
Do this one.
Yes.
Because of the way we parked, we've got one matching, one that, some dusty ute over there.
Cheers!
Welcome to Saul's Motor Shop. Already you can see a fat difference. This one here, is loving that one over there.
Alright, boom, so that was the video. Check out my main man, me, and my boy, Yayan. And that was how the meet was closed. Crap.